The Supreme Court has granted interim bail to Ashoka University professor Ali Khan Mahmoodabad, who was arrested by Haryana police over social media posts related to Operation Sindoor. A bench of Justices Suryakant and N.K. Singh directed the formation of a special investigation team within 24 hours to be led by senior IPS officers from outside Haryana and Delhi and include at least one woman officer. While granting bail, the court barred Professor Mahmoodabad from commenting on the incident or the counter terror response, stressing the need for a fair and impartial probe. Justice Kant criticized the professor's choice of words, calling it dog whistling and emphasizing the importance of using respectful language during national crisis. Mahmoodabad's lawyer, Kapil Sibal, argued that there was no criminal intent, noting that the posts ended with Jai Hind. The professor faces multiple charges under the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita. The case continues to raise questions about free speech in India.
In Ali's case, on the basis of some BJP youth worker, they go in and they pick him up. Please understand, as though you're picking up some great wanted terrorist at 6:30 in the morning, out of state jurisdiction, in front of a 9-month pregnant wife, and pick him up. In Vijay Shah's case, which was a much more egregious offense, much more clear-cut, black and white offense, Madhya Pradesh police does nothing. Does at both BJP ruled states does nothing. It takes the Madhya Pradesh High Court to take suo motu cognizance and say, can you please file an FIR? Madhya Pradesh police file an FIR under duress, under the same section, section 152, section 196(1)B and section 197(1)C. Same sections as Ali Mahmoodabad. Nothing has been done in Vijay Shah's case. The High Court then wraps the police and say, you've written the FIR in a way that you can get it quashed later. Vijay Shah moves the Supreme Court, saying, I'm apologizing. Supreme Court thankfully says, apology not accepted. This is rubbish. Sets up an SIT. He's still roaming free. He's still roaming free. So on the same sections, you have picked up Ali Mahmoodabad. Why? And I have no hesitation in saying this. It is because he's Muslim.